Hi everyone, my name is Craig Golightly, and welcome to my course, Excel Statistics and Finance Function Playbook. I am a senior software consultant. Statistics functions make reporting easy, and finance functions can help you compare different investment options and calculate loan payments. Whether you are just getting started or need a refresher for a few functions, this course is designed for you as an easy reference for statistics and finance functions in Excel. You will learn function syntax, pitfalls to avoid, best practices to follow, and see examples of the functions in action. We will cover the following Excel functions: SUMIFS, AVERAGEIFS, COUNTIFS, NPV, FV, and PV. By the end of this course, you will understand where and how to use these functions in your Excel spreadsheets. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Excel. From here, you should feel comfortable continuing to other Excel courses such as Excel Logic Function Playbook, Managing Excel Workbooks for Analytics. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about statistics and finance functions in Excel with the Excel Statistics and Finance Function Playbook course at Pluralsight.